Sulit nga ba at masarap ang buffet dito sa The Alley by Vikings? Tapos meron pa silang 50% off promo from March 2 to 7 dito sa new branch nila sa Fairview Terraces. Open na and located sa upper ground floor. Ang daming food stations, huge food selection, ang ganda ng vibe, plus madaming seats. Sa food station, meron silang Just Take a Minute. Ito yung steak station, may lamb steak, sizzling station, roasted chicken and pork, Brazilian beef, turkey. Yatay naman for Japanese food, merong fresh sashimi, tempura, sushi and more. Free to and batchoy naman is Filipino food, may bagnet, sisig, batchoy, street food. Sa Lasap, may DIY palabok, pinakbet, iba't ibang ulam, balot, El Italiano for pastas and pizzas. Main bao, Chinese food, dim sum, DIY noodles, laksa, wonton, sweet and sour pork, and many more. Hawker Lane, may tom yum, Korean food, biryani, Lost and Found, may burgers, quesadilla, nachos, Tex-Mex, shawarma,